Hello, Julie here, and thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel here today. Today I am doing a flip through of my first Christmas kit. Now this Christmas all of my Christmas kits, and I'm doing two, are blue. I don't know why, it just happened, but anyway, I like the blue and I'm very happy with it. Now this kit has got 47 pages altogether, and there are 15 journaling pages, so that's like this sort of thing. Journal pages, so just pages that you would put in your journal. Then there are 8 background pages, and then 4 journaling pages, so they've got lines on them. 18 pages of ephemera and 2 pages of fussy cuts. So I'm just going to flip through them and show you what's in the kit, and there will be a link in the description box to the kit in my Ko-fi and Etsy stores. So here we go. So the first one, this is one of the journal pages. Now I could have printed the background pages on the back, but I forgot about that. And I have printed these on 110 GSM paper, so that it's a little bit sturdier than the 80 GSM that we would normally use, but I use 110 GSM paper in all of my journals, so that's why I've printed it on there. So that's one. Then we've got this one here with the Santa and the reindeer, and then in the background we've got the fireplace with the candles. Here we have some holly and some bells, and then in the background we've got the big stars. This one here is just the 2 lovely candles. The background there we've got the food, and down here we've got a bell and some parcels. We've got a Santa in the background there, and then we've got the 4 Santas down the sides. So when you fold that into your journal page, you'd end up with that sort of thing. Then we have this one here that's got like the wreath on it. And then there's some wreaths in the background. And here we have the wreath with some baubles. You notice that there's a few different backgrounds in the kit. A couple of strings of baubles. That's probably one of my favourite pages. I love Christmas baubles. I just think they're fantastic. Here we've got a background with some of the stars in it, and then we've got the food in the corner here. And once again, when you fold that as your page, you've got a lovely page there. We have Santa and a wreath. Here we have a mixture of baubles. They're different to the other one, so as I said, baubles are one of my favourites. Here we have the lovely food. We've got the big star in the background. Here we've got a candle and a hot drink. So once again, very pretty page. And don't forget that you can print these like 2 to a page, so you'll have this whole thing on one side and say another whole one on that side. So when you fold them in half, you have lovely pages as well. So now we're starting the background pages. So these are plain for use with, to make, say you want to make a journaling card that you can decorate. You can use this, cut it to your shape that you want, back it with something, and then decorate to your heart's content. You can also print this on the back of your journal pages, so that you have like that. That's what I would have done if I had have remembered to, but yeah. So there's that style. There's this one with the bit of text in the background. There's the doily type. This one has a few Christmas lights across the top. This one's got the doily background with the Santa faded out into the background, so you know you can still embellish over the top of that. Here we have some lovely greenery or bluery or whatever with the gold leaves. This was such a cute Christmas tree on here. I love that page, really nice. I'm a big Christmas tree fan. Christmas trees and Christmas baubles. And a nice page with the wreath. Now these are what I was saying, I'm calling these the journaling pages because they've got lines on them. And it makes it very easy to write, but they're not overpowering. So we've got that one. We've got the lacy background. This is the background that's in some of the other pages. We've got parcels here with the glittery background and the lines through it. So they are all of the pages. So there's, 15, 19, 27 of those. 27 pages there. So that's a good start to your journal. Then we've got the embellishments. So tags, large tags. And these, I've printed these on 200 GSM cardstock because I like my embellishments to be a bit sturdier. I still back them with the coffee dyed paper or whatever I'm going to use. If you wanted to, you could print, you know, something like this on the background. That would be nice too because you can certainly write over that. So we've got 3 tags there with the 3 different little pictures, and you can see that it's got 3 different backgrounds there. Here we have, so we've got some side pockets on here, so that's a shorter one, that's a taller one. We've got a little page embellishment, so you can use this along the bottom of your page, on the side of your page, and we've got some little labels here. Throughout this, these embellishments, I've put an assortment of labels. Now this one is a tall side pocket, and that's a page, well, you have to put that one on your left hand side, otherwise your trees will be upside down. Here we have a couple of slide frames, a specimen slide I mean, and another strip and another label. Lots of whale tails here of varying sizes and varying patterns. This is a file folder, so you'd cut this out, fold it in halves, and then you've got something you can put something inside of. Here we have some journaling cards. Now I've done the same journaling card in 2 different sizes here. So we've got a larger one and a smaller one. You could use this as an embellishment, you know, on the front of an envelope or on the front of a pocket or something like that. And we've got another page strip. And I've done the same thing here with these journaling cards. So we've got the larger one and the smaller one the same. And here we've got some oval labels, 2 different sizes. So it's just what I could fit in. I basically wanted to fill up all the spaces so that, you know, you weren't wasting your paper. I've got 2 small envelopes here, some labels, more labels, more labels, and another strip. I can see that that's a bit close to the edge, that one, so I must have enlarged it too much. Here we have an envelope of a different size to the other 2, a coin envelope, a label and a page strip. These are so handy just to, like in your journal along the bottom of a page, just put one of these and then a little embellishment just on a page that you're going to use for writing, for journaling, and you know, just adds a little something to it. So this is a large rectangular envelope, so full page, so that will make an envelope that size, so quite a large envelope, full page I would say. Let's have a look how big that would be. Yeah, that's about 6 1/4 by about 5, so quite a large envelope. Some more tags and another page strip. And a rectangular envelope that's smaller, different pattern to that one, and another one of these envelopes. So, and a couple of labels. I don't know whether you can tell or not, but I'm a big envelope fan. And here we have another large envelope, same size as the other one. Some tags. So you can see here that these 3 tags have all got the same picture. So you could sort of join those together and make a trifold embellishment. We've got 3 tags, 3 labels there as well, 2 sizes. We've got some small tags here, so these 4 are the same size, and then these 2 are those 2 in a smaller size. Once again, you can use them just to pop in a small pocket, or you can use them to embellish something. And a large, 3 large tags, once again using the same page right through. Here we have 2 pockets, so this is for your right page, that's for your left page. You could do that, because they're the same pattern, you could do them both on the opening, one spread, or you can mix them up. Yeah, it's up to you. Here we have a doily, 1, 2, 3, 4 labels, so those 2 are the same size and these 2 are different to that but same size as each other, and a coin envelope using that same Christmas tree. Here we have some frames, it's probably better that way, so we've got 4 frames, we've got another specimen slide and some more labels. Now we're getting into the fussy cuts, so this is one of the fussy cuts. So these are all included in the pages there, so you can bring them back in, and likewise for these. And then here I've just printed each of those 2 pages, but 2 to a page, so I'll get them in a different size. So I've got the larger ones, you can see there the difference in the sizing, there and there. So there we go, so that's my Christmas kit. This is called Blue Christmas Kit 1, and it will be in my Ko-fi shop and my Etsy shop, so pop over and check it out if you're interested in having a look at it. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to November, this will be what I'll be working with in November, so I'll make a Christmas journal. I'm not sure what sort of shape that's going to be yet, but I've got all the papers here, so I'm going to use them. Alright, well thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.